Managing dependencies and their versions is a complex task. Maven solves this problem in a very easier way. In this session, we will learn how to manage our project dependencies using Maven.
I have a doubt. I am new to programming and I don't know what's the meaning of dependencies.
Okay, no worries. Let me first explain the meaning of project dependencies. During development of an application, we often require libraries which are created by someone else. These libraries can be external or internal. External libraries are like Spring Framework, JUnit, Log4j, or any other library which is available over the internet. On the other hand, internal libraries are like other projects which contain models, service classes, or even persistence logic. These libraries are created within the company itself. Reusing these libraries helps us to speed up the project development and reduces code redundancy. When we build our project on the top of these libraries, then our projects depend on these libraries. Also, once our development is completed, we package our code along with these libraries. Hence, the word dependency is used, as we are dependent on these libraries. Okay, let's move on to understand how Maven helps us to manage different dependencies. In order to manage a particular dependency, we have to mention its Maven coordinate in dependencies section.
Just one more question. What are Maven coordinates?
Okay, let's understand Maven coordinate first. Maven coordinates are nothing but the unique identifier of a project. We can compare the Maven coordinates with the address of a person. Each address in this world is unique. Similarly, whenever we create a project, Maven wants a unique coordinate to identify that project. Let's decipher different parts of the Maven coordinate. Maven coordinate contains 4 components. First, group ID. Group ID is the group of related artifacts. For example, all artifacts released by Apache Foundation must be inside the same group. So the group ID is org.apache. The group name also resembles the Java packaging. So if we are creating artifacts for a company named xyz.com, then its group ID should be com.xyz. Second, artifact ID. The artifact ID is the name of the project itself. A single group can have multiple artifacts. Hence, each one should have a unique name. Third, version. A single artifact can have multiple versions. This part of a Maven coordinate represents the actual version. Fourth, packaging. For some technical reason, it might be possible we need multiple packaging types of same artifacts. Hence, the packaging component. By combining all these components, we get the unique Maven coordinate. And using these Maven coordinates, we can download a dependency via Maven Central. Okay, let's move to our original topic of managing dependencies via Maven. In order to add any dependency in our project, just go to pom.xml and create a dependency section. Inside this section, we can add any number of dependencies. So let's copy dependency of JUnit and add inside this section. In order to find Maven coordinates of JUnit library, open mbnrepository.com and search for JUnit. From the search result, click on JUnit link and select any version you want in your project. In our case, we are selecting the latest version. Now copy it and paste same inside the dependencies section. Now save this pom.xml. As soon as we save this file, Maven reparse this file and starts executing any new changes. Now it have downloaded this library and added same in our project build path. That's the beauty of this tool. We don't have to set the path of these newly downloaded dependencies. So if we expand the Maven dependencies icon, we can see JUnit version 4.12 have been added in our Java build path.
But how can we know the location of newly downloaded dependencies in our local machine?
During installation of Maven, it creates .m2 directory in user's home location. Let's see what is inside M2 directory. We can browse it via terminal or even via UI. I am preferring terminal, so let's go to .m2 directory, which is inside user's home directory. Let's list out total number of files inside it. It contains a repository folder. So what's inside repository? Go to repository. We can see it actually downloaded all dependencies as per their coordinates. Right? Quite simple. So whatever the library we need, it download all those libraries inside a central directory, which is .m2 folder. Learning how Maven manages dependencies is a broad topic. But for now, let's stop here. We will see more topics on dependency management in upcoming sessions.